Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account is in good standing and that you're not already flagged. Next, pick a reputable VPN with low latency and a kill switch. Choose a server close to the target region to reduce spoofing lag. Once done, enable airplane mode, turn Wi-Fi back on, and grant Pokémon GO precise location access set to always. You're now ready to connect the VPN. Before opening the app to avoid sudden location, jumps that trigger safety systems. You connect the VPN to the selected city and immediately confirm IP change plus DNS leak protection. This prevents your device revealing your real location. Next, set the VPN protocol to the fastest stable option, UDP typically, or TCP if needed, and enable obfuscation and the kill switch so the app won't fall back to your real network. Once the VPN status shows stable and GPS matches the server area, open Pokémon Go. Move slowly in the game to imitate natural play and avoid rapid teleporting. You finish by playing gradually. Simulate realistic walking speeds and limit jumps to a few hundred meters at a time to reduce detection risk. If you encounter a soft ban, Pokestop spinning without rewards, stop, close the app, remain connected to VPN for 30 to 60 minutes, then reopen and walk in game. If location drift or errors occur, toggle device location, clear app cache, restart the VPN on a different nearby server, and recheck permissions. That sequence fixes most connectivity or spoofing failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.